Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a little wrap up of Energy Skate Park, part 1. Okay, part 1. Okay, this is the part with no friction. All right, and then the main claim you should have come up with is the total energy of the system remains constant. Okay, or something like that, right? You could say the energy is conserved. You could say the energy doesn't change, whatever it is, okay? Right, your evidence, okay, should have looked something like in your state diagrams, all right? So here's what I want you to be checking, because this is what I'm going to be looking for, all right? You're going to have here is your graphs, okay, EG, EK. This one just had EG and EK, so I'm only going to draw those, all right? And let's say that your skater started... maybe you started her like at the top, right? And then you did middle, bottom, or something like that, right? Okay, I'm looking for the positioning of the skater on the ramp, okay? And I'm also looking for whooshies, all right? So we know EG relates to height, so the highest one should have the most EG. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm just going to go ahead and put numbers on this, even though we don't know any, okay, exactly, just to kind of get an idea, okay? No EK, because it wouldn't be moving at that point as I've drawn it. Okay, then later, 2, 4, 6. All right, maybe here, maybe it's like 3, EGs, okay? And then there would have to be 3 EKs because the total has to stay the same. All right, so that'd be like a moderate amount of speed, so I'd need to see the whooshies. All right, and then 2, 4, 6 joules, right? When she's coming across the bottom, she'd have no EG because she's at the bottom, okay? But there's 6 joules of energy present, so she's going to have 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. I don't know if that's 6, whatever. 6 joules of energy there, okay? All right, so that would mean if she's going to have 6 joules of EK, this is going to have to show faster whooshies, okay? So what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for placement on the ramp corresponding to EG, and I'm looking for whooshies or speedometer to show EK, right? So you could have shown the speedometer here also, right? Maybe like 0, it was like 2, 4, I don't know what the numbers were. Something that matches, right, with what you're getting, okay? All right, so you're showing that the total is same. Here you're going to have 6 joules plus 0 joules is 6. That's your total. Okay, here 3 joules plus 3 joules is still 6. That's your total. And then 0 joules plus 6 joules equals 6. That's your total. That's your total. Okay, so the total energy stays the same. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking for on the quick quiz, okay, is I'm going to be looking for these totals to match, okay, and I'm going to be looking for that to match the bar graph and for you to know that the total energy of the system remains constant.